quick video on how to use the washing machine, or rather the easiest way. For just what I class as a normal wash, I'd use denim. So you can see it only shows 1200 on here and temperature 30. Change your temperature to 30. So it's down to its last 10 minutes now, and it's taken the conditioner, and because it's only a 1200 spin, this is what we recommend that you do. You press pause, switch it off, switch it back on, turn it to a 1600 spin and press go. So the washer's finished its spin now, and if you want to do any drying, again switch it off, turn it to any program, change that to dry, and then you can set your drying time and press start.